It was sunny just a minute ago and it's raining now. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. There's the entryway to Tanoa over there. And that's our car there, that blue one, that blue car. It's the blue machine. So if you guys see that car around, yeah, that's the Starsky and Hutch car. Just be careful, eh? Talofa guys, welcome back. It's morning time now and it's time for breakfast. So I got ready, Elvis is having a shower, and then we're both gonna go down and have some nice breakfast. I don't know what's on the menu today, but it might be similar to what we had yesterday, but that's all right, because I love toast and peanut butter. Yep, and then, well, I don't know what else is on the menu, but I'll try and change it from what I had yesterday, but that's what I want is some toast. Had that meal last night, and it was, I don't know if I filmed my dinner last night. No, I had, okay, I'll show you. Here's my dinner, guys. Tuna on mash. Yeah, so that's what I had, guys. It was tuna on mashed potato and sweet, what is it? Sweet chili. Yeah, sweet chili and some crunchy vegetables. So that's what I had. Elvis was fish and chips. So today I plan to go and have fish and chips at the market. You know, the fish market. That's if they're open. And if they are, yay. And if they're not, there's always other places to go and eat at. Sharon has all these food places on her list, and she said to me to check it out. Not all her list, but check out something, you know. Okay, but the thing is, I just want Elvis to be familiar with the roads first, so he can drive us around and not have an accidental. Yeah, but we had a nice drive around yesterday. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it because the road was quiet, because it's Sunday. Everyone's at home resting, or they're going to church and stuff like that. And here's us scattering on the road. Naughty, naughty. Yeah, okay, see you at breakfast, guys. See you at breakfast. Guys, look at this. That's my offer for today. Like I told you, I already warned you guys, I'm going to wear some funky colors. My kids are like this, and I'm like this. Make Celia happy. Be happy, that's all. Be colorful, that's right. Because my kids, they just like dark colors, you know, in the dark. They. Hello. Where's the laundry?
I think it's down here.
Oh. We asked about the laundry last night because we're going to have to wash our clothes. So they said for a bag of washing, they can do it for us, but it's going to cost 60 tala. Otherwise, we can do it ourselves with our own laundry thing. Oh, Daddy, looks like more people at the breakfast table. More people at the breakfast. Yep. Oh, we did come really early yesterday. Big backs were big backs were early for breakfast yesterday. But today we slept another whole hour. Man, guys, to be honest, I'm nearly getting asthma walking to this place, but this is what we need, eh? 8 hours exercise. No exercise, please. Phá đua ô. Thank you. Trái love it. I'm gonna have me 2 toasts today. Yesterday I only had 1, but today I feel like 2. 2 toasts and peanut butter. Mari bawa ulit. Okay. Yeah, Faffy here for you. Yeah, 2 toasts. I'm getting your plate. Oh, look, guava. I got me 2 toast. Yep.
Same?
Yep, I'm having 2 oatmeal toast.
Is this oatmeal?
Yep, down the bottom. Oh, up the top too. Oh, well, my toast a bit browner than this. Yeah. Yeah, that you will move. Well, it's only because it was a bit white. So I've got 2 colours. To the water. Daddy, that's not butter. It's trying to be funny. Guava. Nice. It's semi-sweet. Cheers, guys. It's apple juice and water. Just waiting for my omelette. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. My omelette, guys. Everything but onion, because the onion will come as crunchy and raw. Anyway, time to eat. Look at my tea toast, waiting for my omelette to hang. Yep, set my little omelette. Put it over here. And get some pepper. Okay, we just parked up and all those kids were coming to see if we wanted to buy something. Holy, there's too many of them to buy. Maybe you buy one from each person, eh? But we don't wear yellow lovers anymore because they keep falling off. We don't even know how to wear yellow lovers. It's so useless. Nice sweet bananas, eh? Look at that little tiny one. Nice stuff. Has anyone seen anything they like? $5. Ui, ada que meter aqui dentro. Yeah. That's the one I said I'll come back. Yeah, may latak nga ma. Tay lava. Yeah, tay lava. Tay. Avocado. They got heaps of sour stuff here. Oh, look at different kind of avocado too. Oh yeah. Yes, I love it. Ang ano sa uli di gali di may ma ako lang kung ka ba. Okay, thank you. We put out so. Just, you know, their colors haven't improved either. They've always had nice designs, but the porpoise. Wow. That's not porpoise. Orca. Oh. That was the biggest I've seen. You know what I want? I want to get avocado. Look at it. Sweet watermelon. You know what's sad about all these food that's getting sold here? Is that there's so many of them and you don't know who to buy from. And you try and avoid eye contact because it's so like, I feel sorry for them. Oh, look, another giant purple banana. Massive. Talofa. Oh, look at the mango kangaroo. You want to get a mango? Yeah, how much?
Where's the car?
Just over there. Here, go mango.
How much?
$5. $5 morfia. $5 for the kangaroo. I thought it was like a little bundle. Yeah, okay, get one for you. And give the boy some help. It's Somalia. Huh? Somalia, mangai. How many you buying?
Oh, maybe two. Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, papaya. He made me laugh. Nada media. Ninguém? Apiu. Ui. Oh. Fifi whakai kai. E sumali e?
Yeah, only fruits.
Oh. Ya, mai las ka whakai. Whakai kai.
Apa
Ya,
pakai
ya.
kai loa.
Ai ya. Ari ida ro sabari aku ada sawe mai so.
Awal sang ada di.
Awa. Oi.
Awal di ai.
Ya. Bakun ngam ya ma. Oi.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Ya, Pak. Daddy, I want to try it. This is a few. Ya, a few king out 5 liu ni ni masa. Oh look, there's some sweet ones over there. Oh, and over there, Daddy, you can get some curry. You can have a look. So get some island food.
Huh?
Yeah, okay. Go. Those kids are gonna attack you. We should go and get some. Yeah, go, Folly. We should get some. What's that thing? Some. Yeah, my turn. Okay, well here. Yeah, see, you're gonna get attacked by those kids. Yes, you go. Yes. Yeah. I dia nak mau. I semame. I.
Makan di mulai.
Yeah. Makan dia aku de umi ah. Yeah. Ha? Yeah, saput ya.
Isinya win kau.
Kai kasih. Wai dua. Ya, ya. Share dua. Ya, okay. Ya. Wala dia. Ya. How much pay? Yeah. 2 meter.
Mau man. Ang ako imo.
Dia ni mang aja dia ngari kan kasih dua. Oh, 20, yeah, 20 each. Yeah. Furkala nga. Oh yes, may lalas suwe bak ya we. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll take this one. Yeah. It's not easy to say no to them, man. But anyway, I got my yellow lovers now. I was thinking, we got how many girls? 6 girls. So, oh well.
You got earrings? Baby specs?
Nado. Oh, we're in the way. They're in the way. Go this way.
Hey, ya cosa man meo sama ko ini. Persami na sa ini. Wala ulo man pa. Faye.
Wow, Faye ay kìa.
Faye ay alia, Faye lengi dia persami malen o pipi. Ramai sa.
Faye ay alia ah. Oh iya, may la kasih ngama de kasih luau pa magmol.
Luau niwa.
Iya. Guys, love.
Faye lengi.
Yeah?
Man ini.
Yeah, kuliah, wait. That's the money.
Ya, al ulo ali abiloy no yele.
Ui. Oh. Así kau dulu.
Kala is for free.
Oh, thank you.
Faye ang alu meya sa meya no pala.
How much?
15.
15. 15. Hindi makala. Hindi makala.
Sắp cháy lắm ạ. Ai ạ? Cái trà này nữa. Sai ra vậy.
ให้คุยภาษา
Awal pada itu pada
Phải phê phê vậy là phải phê. Oh, cái là cái gì? Rất phải phê ta. Đi khăn đi đâu à? Ngài đùa mà quệ anh. Ang ska ba ini? Saya. I told you I was trying to scare of the thing around, but it's good that lady gave us a gift. So, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Dah dia? Yeah. Mas cá kasih fa mình muốn. Nếu mà pha cậu đây đủ awal đấy thì cái pha cậu. I don't know if I got pasta.
Trái lắm.
Ui, trái đã vợ ngọc trái. Đó. Yeah, okay. Well, I hope mine's nice. Well, what you got? Oh, được qua muốn pha cậu. Trái là vợ. Trái, yeah.
jalan besar.
Nó đều không? Hả? Dạ, để đi ba ngang sang một món đi. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Sai là vậy. Rice, sweet pineapple. Sweet pineapple. But you gotta go look. You haven't had a look through. Mimi's about the galimamwe over here. So that's why when I saw galimamwe, and look, this is only $5 and it's a whole bowl, girls. I did ask for a lace up, but I think he didn't hear me. But anyway, I've got an ulu here. That ulu the lady gave for free because we bought oh my gosh. I can't wait to taste the ulu. So it's really good. We're going back to get some more.
I think it is yelling.
Is it look?
Yelling, yeah.
Where? Show me. I don't know. It's in one fish.
No, yeah.
That's healing.
Yes.
That looks like a healing. Show the other one, please. I wanted the blue one.
yeah.
Ya kakala mai. Si kakala aku dia mai no. Pai ai proa.
I think that's a
Ya
fish.
mana ya. Oh dia ya. Oh, tengah ada apa look tadi. Oh, looks so. Oh, now what about fish it is?
Tuna probably.
Oh, yum.
Probably look like tuna.
Yes, thank you very much. Because we had tuna the other day, that's why I wanted fish.
Wow.
Look at the little, oh, it's got my minty, but that's probably the best tasting one. And there's a big one too. Oh, this was a generous hand. But we'll see which one tastes best. Let's go. Yeah, okay. See, mấy chỗ ấy đậu cá gì? Yeah. Makamaka mấy ô cô kia để ai cái bà nó nè. What is that one? Tuna.
Colombo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and we also got a raw fish too. They didn't say what fish it was? Oh. Oh yeah, it's got potato in it. Oh yeah, it's got that garlic flavor. Oh yum. The Samoa garlic. Hmm? Lekara. Lekara. Honey, I'm gonna get a $5.
Huh?
I'm gonna get a $5.
I got one.
Oh yeah, mate. I'm gonna $5.
No, I don't have $5.
Oh. Okay, another yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. Another one.
You take it, you might need it.
I've got some.
Did you get a packet?
I've got a big packet at home.
I
I'm
have
just
it.
giving it for her. This garlic is really nice. It's really good. It's from here. From that place called Fresh Start Restaurant. It's right at the back of the window.
Nah. I didn't order it home.
Nice. Man, that lady was so nice to give us a free meal.
That's a good salad.
No,
I'll go back to it.
no, it's a good heart. Man. Yeah, it is. It's a good heart. Got a lot of fat in this supu and this garlic. It's so nice. Like garlic back in the day. Really nice.
Yeah, $5.
We're having that. So nice the ulum. I just don't know we should eat the ulum because we didn't Australia, but it's not cooked the way we like it. Here, eat the ulum. So good. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, it's a tuna. Oh, right. Not done. It's yours now?
Yeah.
That's the last scoop. That's the last scoop. Didn't even give me a scoop. So it must be nice. Let's go.
Those nice.
Yeah. Eating. Yeah, it's okay.
What? Nasa ako po at hindi.
Ay, mailo ka nga ba?
Sila din.
Hindi mo kalimatan. Yeah.
Pwede ang ilong.
Yeah, it's okay.
Pwede ang ilong.
Ay, ayam ya, ay kulit. Tay ay tuna dia. Thank you. You want to have some curry? I want to get potatoes. Nice curry, man. I wonder how much of it is here. The bean. Oh, come again. Now you get the super curry from us here. I saw the kids bring the super curry in there. On top of the super curry is got a little bunch of watercress. Raw watercress. So I like that. That was a nice little feed. Hey, darling, did you enjoy your feed?
Oh man, always the Faye in the coconut shell from the home is the best. And the udu, oh,
Yeah, good.
nice.
Yeah, the Fugalei was really nice. I really like the flavor of the sauce. It got a little bit more fat in it than, but they said mamoi, but it felt like it was a bovi. But who knows? Probably is, but a fatty mamoi. Yeah, so you get out to the light and turn left, and we're nearly home. We stay close to this marketi, so we can come
man.
almost. Yeah, so the thing is, we can come there every day
Yeah.
and eat.
Yeah.
But the problem is, we're going to get harassed by those kids every day too, you know?
No, you say no. That's it. You don't have to think. They're haggling. You don't.
Anyway,
No.
That-
Really, the man, I feel sorry for the man. Had he come in, I would have given him the $20. But has he anything what the money is?
no, so go look at this. Oh, look at that man. And I turned around and I spun around and I looked to see who he was talking about. It was, you know, Kakamamai. He was just looking through the window. So, but the way I spun my head around, like someone's standing there, like a dangerous person. Watch out, Kana.
Yeah.
Go over a little bit. Yeah.
This is our home, mate.
Yeah.
This is our home.
Watch out. Go. Over here.
Yeah, this is our home.
Okay, we're home now. Home sweet home.
I would have loved to go on the beach and park and watch the water. You know, in Raro, that's what I do. I go to where the fishing boat is, I park, look at the water all day. All the days. Yeah.
All day it's not true, but every day is what it means. Yeah, we got a park right in the front. We always try and come and look for the parks in the front, easier to get to the front door. Okay.
because you had 2 old bags.
You got an old bag. See guys, our room, we can see it from here. It's right there. You're on the lamppost, that silver lamppost, that's where our room is. This is so sweet guys. So the time is 2:05 now. My niece is supposed to come and drop off the keys to our gate because we can't get into the property because my mom bought this thick chain and this thick key lock thing. So they got the key and they're supposed to come over and bring the key here or go and open up the gate and just leave it open and we can get the ball rolling on what we have to do. But we've come back from the market and they're not here. They haven't been. So it makes us like delay a bit. Hopefully they can still come and drop off the key. Yeah, it's drizzling now. So when we were leaving the market, it started to drizzle, so that was good. Good timing. On God's time, not our time. Oh,
Yeah.
that black car just parked over here. We could have came and just parked right there. Easy.
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next time we look either there or over here.
Yeah.
Either way, it's close.
Mm-hmm.
And then avoid the flowers.
Yeah, there's got a lot of flowers. Hopefully there's a strong rain that'll come and wash it away.
Sure. Oh, Popo. Oh.
Where Popo? Oh, down there. Oh, nice. This is such a sweet new.
See the
Was
thing-
yours sweet?
Mine is young. That's
Oh.
why they're one intimate. I picked it. I was gonna say, how much? 25. I say, if I buy all this, then I have one free one. They'll probably give it. Next time I go, I'll bargain. I'll bargain. They bargain. I bargain back. Yeah. You buy 5. I'm sure.
They bargain back, just buy it. But they're trying to make money too.
I'm trying to make money myself. Hey, you know when the popo ripe, daddy, will be in their breakfast on their breakfast table.
Come on, what?
The popo.
Oh, yeah, hey.
I didn't-
Why not, hey?
I don't
Use the
know.
property to grow. I wonder how much is to make a fence like that. Okey-dokey. They hung the key over here. Anyway, turn off the car and let's go. Don't forget to bring a book. Hope no dog comes running. Okay guys, we're in the property. They say they hung the key here. The key is over here. Okay. So we'll just go, and I think I saw the house open. See, their mattress is still here. Their clothes and stuff are still here. Yeah. All the light stuff. So guys, here's the job that we'll be looking at fixing. Okay. So that's the onga umu that our old lady bought. That's the little chest freezer she bought. This is the door. So wrecked. That's the backyard. You can see the umukuka now. Well, the umukuka is still standing and the cement is still there. So there's no sign of any cow here. So that's the umukuka. Maybe it just needs a really good touch up. The septic tank, I forgot where the old lady pointed. Maybe somewhere over here. Oh, over there it's got no fence. But it's like it was, that's their walkway over there. Okay. Hope there's no dog out here. Oh look, there's another entryway there. They'll be moving back and forth between there too. There's the toilet in there. Oh, ngā umu that the old lady bought ages ago. See? It's quite nice and big out here, hey? See? I just need to hire some people now to come and clean all this out. I'm not going to open in there because it's scary. Maybe Gangano can come and open it. Gano, so come here. Come and open that so I can film it. Come and open the shower and the toilet. That's a shower. Yeah, and open up that. Oh man, that needs a new toilet. For real. But that's still strong. The body is still strong, eh?
It's clean.
Yeah. Well, yeah, no water.
Water turn off.
Yeah. Maybe we can just get a toilet seat. Aloisi. Needs just a good clean and a new toilet seat. That's the kitchen me and the old lady used to hang around in. What do you think, Tang the builder? Open this up if you can. That's the umukuka. Yeah.
Well, we got to organize the cleaners to come.
Huh?
This is time to motivate the cleaners to come.
Yeah.
Take everything.
Yeah. Come on, at least we got the picture for the siblings to see. You can't boogie that. Okay, this is the task at hand, guys. Are you guys still ready to room? A little shit thing here. What do you think, Bob the Builder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. What the heck happened here?
This is the end of the boundary,
Yeah.
and that's
No, this is our walkway.
yeah, I know. This is
But look at that. What the hell happened there? And this is the next door. Our family, the Rimuni family. What the F happened? Who ate that? Who got hungry and ate that? Anyway, I'm going to take my siblings down the rooms. Anna, can you come and open open this door? Esther, this used to be your room. Bloody ungrateful guys, man. Pardon me. This used to be me and the old lady's room when I used to visit. Well, looking at the windows. Oh, it's only here. It's only here that's broken. This lever here is missing. And those two levers over there are missing. Right on. Come and open up that first door. That's the bathroom. My hands are shaking. Yeah. There's no light, so, and the sink blocks the door from opening. So, yeah, Chang the builder's going to go in there and investigate.
The sink should be over here, so that door can open. The sink would be here.
Or get a smaller sink because the pipes have already been pulled. Done. Oh look, louvers over here is missing. So what? 2 louvers, 4 louvers, and another louver here is missing.
Now, first thing first is the clear.
Yeah, rubbish.
Clear in and out. And then plan B is to start replacing. Yeah, we gotta get plan A on first. Right? This is the time to get those people.
Yeah. Okay, fam. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think 500 clears first.
You don't know, Gandalf. They have to come and give us their quote.
I'm guessing.
You're guesstimating. Yeah, well.
Even if they have a carpenter out here, we hire them too to come and put the things in there so they can come.
That's the cow, guys. It's a little baby one.
It's an extra 1 year old.
There's a little baby one. You can't see,
We gotta go and